Let's get this party started. Come on, fishing. And here we go. Come on. Something hit it. Come on. Might be the waves and the current playing with me. Getting that trough, man, it moves it around a lot. Like I said, I'm pretty much fishing not even past that break out there. It's a little dirty, but there's some cleaner water out past it. The water's real dirty here. I give it like a 2. But I can see patches of clean water out past it. It looks like a little patch up in there. It's getting stirred up a lot in here.